If you're on the market looking for a low-cost, entry-level, but high-quality Bluetooth speaker, you've come to the right place. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Now let's get started. We're opening up with Unce Angle 3 speaker. Essentially, this speaker is cheap, even by cheap standards, but that doesn't mean that its performance is analogous to its price tag. Frankly, it's pretty much the exact opposite. It sports a set of high-quality acoustic drivers that deliver deep, punchy bass. It rocks a highly compact design, and it offers more than 30 hours of total battery lifetime. If you have checked out what the budget section of the Bluetooth speaker market has to offer, you'll immediately notice why this model is superior in terms of value it has to offer. Sound-wise, acoustic drivers are typically a bit brighter than neodymium ones. They're also slightly weaker in terms of volume, but they're precise and offer a vibrant, balanced soundstage. You can expect to hear plenty of potentially new and exciting details in songs you hook up onto your Unce Angle 3. On top of that, Unce Angle 3 features a non-active bass radiator that enhances the emission of the lowest soundstage frequencies. Yes, we're talking about the bass. It's louder and much deeper in comparison to what you'd normally get with a budget Bluetooth speaker. One of the coolest things about Unce Angle 3 is that it offers superior battery lifespan. It's supplied with a high-quality 4400 mAh battery that offers more than 30 hours of total playtime. However, there's a small catch here. You'll only get to utilize the battery's full capacity if you don't crank the volume beyond 2/3 of its max output strength. Otherwise, the estimated battery lifetime will be reduced by a couple of hours. As far as design goes, the Unce Angle 3 is pretty portable. Its dimensions measure 6.50 inches by 2.90 inches by 2.80 inches, and it weighs about 0.81 pounds. Furthermore, it features IPX5 waterproof rating. This means that it's not waterproof per se, rather it's water resistant. This wireless speaker has 10 watts of strength to offer. This should be enough to get a smallish indoor party started, although it's nothing too exemplary. However, it's more than you'd bargain for given the fact that Unce Angle 3 is among the cheapest speakers on the current market. That being said, we can safely conclude that this is a petite, lightweight Bluetooth speaker. Its superior battery, convenient water-resistant design, and enhanced bass have earned it a prime spot in our review of the top 5 budget Bluetooth speakers in 2020. Next up is JBL's Clip 3, a waterproof and highly portable Bluetooth speaker that is easily one of the best looking speakers ever made. Apart from absolutely brilliant aesthetics, this Bluetooth speaker offers a reliable connection, a highly balanced sound, a strong battery, and easy to use onboard controls. Let's start from the very top. In terms of outward appearance and aesthetics, the Clip 3 looks like a mesh disco ball. It rocks a built-in carabiner that you can use to hang it pretty much anywhere and everywhere, which is also the reason for its nearly unparalleled transportability. It looks stunningly beautiful and is available in numerous color style variations, including black, black camo, blue, camo, gray, green, pink, red, sand, teal, and others. Each color style is just as beautiful as the next, although this is entirely a matter of personal preference and taste. The dimensions of JBL Clip 3 measure 2.4 inches by 5.7 inches by 7.8 inches, and it weighs approximately 7.84 ounces. Despite being so small, it rocks a quality magnet driver that delivers pretty powerful sound performance. As far as controls go, the Clip 3 sports the power on and Bluetooth buttons on the side, and multimedia controls at the front, play and volume controls. Some people might argue that these controls should have been placed elsewhere as they are interfering with the sound emissions, but it seems that JBL Clip 3 sounds just fine the way it is. It's rated IPX7 waterproof, which means that it can survive a couple of minutes dipped in water. Obviously, it's the ultimate speaker for cash-strapped students who are just about to hit a beach party, but it's also a terrific companion for fishermen and pretty much anyone who's looking for a portable budget speaker. The JBL Clip 3 offers 10 hours battery lifetime, which is a couple of hours better than average. It sports a set of fully rechargeable and replaceable batteries, but sadly, the Clip 3 bundle does not feature a charging station. Overall, the Clip 3 is the ultimate compact Bluetooth speaker that offers no compromise between sound quality, transportability, and build quality. So we recommend that you check it out if you're on the market looking for a smallish wireless speaker. It's easy to notice, recognize, and discuss valuable benefits of boutique speakers. You usually know what you are looking for and demand that such qualities be met. It's easy to compare how two models sound against each other, how they look when they're both aesthetically awesome, and so on. However, how do you find value in entry-level speakers when the bar is set so low? Anker's Soundcore 2 is our top value pick due to several reasons. It's stronger than average, its bass response is absolutely phenomenal, its battery lifetime is superb, and it rocks a sturdy waterproof shell. First of all, Anker's Soundcore 2 sports 12 watts of power. This might not seem much in comparison to car audio or guitar amps, but it's substantially stronger than most budget Bluetooth speakers. Moreover, it rocks enhanced bass response and sports two neodymium magnet drivers. From the perspective of sonic performance, this speaker delivers chirpy highs and trembling lows. Design-wise, the dimensions of the speaker measure 6.5 inches by 2.1 inches by 1.9 inches, and it weighs 0.78 pounds. It also features IPX7 waterproof rating that makes it almost completely impervious to rain, dust, spills, and similar weather-based effects. Another awesome thing about Anker's Soundcore 2 is that it offers 24 hours of consistent and reliable battery lifetime regardless of volume output. It's packed with Anker's patented power management technology as well as a fully rechargeable 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery. All things considered, this is a relatively small, surprisingly powerful, very versatile, and highly durable speaker that packs a huge punch for the buck. Most music enthusiasts know that Bose has some of the best sounding and best performing speakers on the entire market. That being said, it's only obvious that we wanted to include one of their models in our review of the top 5 finest budget Bluetooth speakers in 2020. Aesthetic-wise, the SoundLink Micro is built in a very simplistic way. It features a tough plastic housing and sports onboard volume, power, and Bluetooth controls. Additionally, it also comes supplied with a USB 2.0 input that you can use to easily charge it wherever you are. The charging cable comes with the bundle as a complimentary feature. Despite its minimalistic design, the SoundLink Micro actually looks pretty interesting. It's also available in 3 different colors including midnight blue, bright orange, and black. The color changes are purely cosmetic, and each style comes outfitted with the exact same features and settings. In terms of sound quality, SoundLink Micro offers a very balanced soundstage with unparalleled bass response. Despite being small, it's actually pretty loud. Another very cool feature of SoundLink Micro is the built-in microphone input that you can use to wirelessly access calls within the range of about 30 feet. This Bluetooth speaker sports IPX7 waterproof rating and is slightly more durable than average, although it's not really built like a tank. Finally, the only thing that we didn't like so much is that SoundLink Micro offers only 6 hours of total battery lifetime. However, due to the fact that you'll receive a complimentary charging cable and due to its portable design, this shouldn't be too much of an issue. We're wrapping up our review with Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, our best overall pick for today. It's got a pretty strong battery, excellent wireless range, and offers much in terms of sonic performance, so it's pretty fair to say that it's generally the biggest jack of all trades among the 5 speakers we've covered. This is a compact, portable budget speaker that comes available in 5 color variations, including Bermuda Blue, Crushed Ice Gray, Deep Space, Just Peach, and Radical Red. Its dimensions measure 3.68 inches by 3.68 inches by 4.02 inches, and it weighs approximately 15 ounces. In terms of sonic performance, the Wonderboom features 2 Wonderboom speakers that deliver a uniquely versatile and well-rounded soundstage. You should expect much of the bass response, although treble and highs are also sections where it excels far more than any other similarly priced Bluetooth speaker. This model has 13 hours of total battery life to offer. Of course, the battery is fully rechargeable and replaceable. One of the most amazing features of the Wonderboom speaker is the outdoor boost feature. Basically, by turning it on, you'll enhance the overall performance of the Wonderboom speakers as well as augment the bass response, resulting in much more thundering sound. It's rated IP67, which essentially means waterproof and dustproof. This essentially means that it's better than IPX5 speakers and can withstand being in water for a couple of minutes. However, you shouldn't submerge it on purpose. You'll come to love the onboard volume controls as they completely eliminate the need to actually use any app to control your music. The Wonderboom 2 also features a built-in hanger that you can use to place it at higher positions, which means that it's terrific for outdoor parties. In a nutshell, this is definitely the most versatile Bluetooth speaker in the budget section of the market. So if you're looking for quality, look no further than Wonderboom 2. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.